Let's take a look at this Chilli Guava. It's from Paper Boat Drinks and Memories. Costs around 20 rupees or 35 cents or so. Nice packaging. It's Chilli Wawa. No added preservatives, no added color, just laughter and sunshine. It's a vegetarian product. No bioengineered ingredients, no GMOs. This has about 100 calories. Ingredients are water, guava pulp, sugar, iodized salt, spices and condiments. It has a mango powder, chili powder, black pepper powder, lemon juice concentrate, stabilizers, acidity regulators, citric acid, and antioxidants. Contains added flavor, natural and natural identical flavorings. This is manufactured in India. It comes in a paper packaging. So let's taste it. Let's taste it. Really nice guava flavor. It's sweet, salty, spicy, which are all the things that go really well with the guava flavor. Quite yummy, quite nice. Check it out.